Hello, this is going to be a tutorial on how to book an online appointment using Accudemia, which is the site that USF uses for booking all of our online appointments. So the first thing you're going to have to do is access the site, which is called oneusf.accudemia.net. You can see it at the top over here. And once you access that site, it's going to ask you to log in using your USF account, so like your email and your password for your USF login. So then once you get here, you're going to scroll down and press schedule an appointment. You see it has little plus sign. So we click on that, and then it's going to ask you to select the center. And because we want an online appointment, I'm just going to search online. And you can see here ASC Online in Tampa at the bottom. You can book an online tutoring appointment. So we're going to click on that and say I want tutoring in organic chemistry because it's one of the classes I'm taking. It's going to show up whatever classes you're taking that we have a service for. It's going to show up here in the bottom. So you can click on that and then it'll show you available spots. So first it'll show you all the tutors that we have. It looks like we have one tutor for organic chemistry and it's showing their available dates and times. And I think that 6 p.m. works the best, so I'm going to select this time. And once I chose my time, this is the confirmation page, and in the notes, I can put what sort of help I want. So let's say I just want to review chapter one. I can put that in the notes. If I want to like help before a quiz or something, then I can put that in as well. Whatever I specifically want help with, it's helpful to put that in the notes because then the tutor can see that and help be better prepared for your session together. And now I'm going to click confirm to confirm that I'm ready for this appointment and we're all done. You should be getting an email confirming the appointment as well. And yeah, just make sure to mark the date.